On number 28, again, we have an equation. We have more than two terms, so we can't cross multiply. So we'll have to multiply through by an LCD. The LCD in this case has to have a factor of 3 as well as a factor of x minus 2. Remember, to multiply through, we have to multiply the same thing on both sides to maintain the equality. I am going to write it again for this middle term, just to keep track of things that might cancel. On the first term, the x minus 2's cancel, and we get 3 times 2 is 6. On the second term, the 3's cancel out, and we get minus 2x times x minus 2. On the right side, the 3's cancel, and we have x minus 3 times x minus 2. Let's go ahead with the multiplication. We get 6 minus 2x squared plus 4x equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. Because we have a quadratic, we're going to move everything over to one side. I'm going to start by adding 2x squared because I like to have my first term positive. So we'll put plus 2x squared. We're going to subtract 4x from both sides, and we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. We moved every term on the left over to the right. We're left with 0. 2x squared and x squared is 3x squared. Negative 5x and negative 4x is minus 9x, and the 6's actually add up to 0. Let's take out a common factor of 3x, and we're left with x minus 3. If we set each one of those factors equal to 0, 3x equals 0 gives us x equals 0, and x minus 3 equals 0 gives us x equals positive 3. Now don't forget to go back up to the top to see if either of those make any of the fractions undefined. We seem to be fine with both 0 and 3, so that would be our final answer.